Hey guys, and welcome back to another seafood mukbang. And today we have tried to accomplish the spicy hot Cheeto fried seafood. Okay guys, so today we have the macaroni and cheese balls fried in hot Cheetos. Erica has hers in panko, and we have some fried shrimp and king crab. Now, our macaroni and cheese balls are fried with king crab and shrimp stuffed in the macaroni and cheese. So, we didn't make so much because, you know, when you eat that deep fried stuff, it fills you up really quickly. So, this is our first time. We just wanted to see how it is. Are you excited?
Yes.
All right, now let's eat. Father God, I just want to thank you for this food we're about to receive, for the nourishment of my body. In your name, Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Right here we have some cheese sauce, and down here we have some spicy mayo. So I didn't want to put the mayo on the warmer, so we're going to keep it down here to keep it at a nice temperature. So if you guys are ready, we ready to dig in. I think I'm going to start with one of these shrimp. But I'm going to try it in the spicy mayo first. But look here, guys. Try it in cheese sauce. I actually like it in both. And for my drink today, I have some red wine. What you have, Mama?
A Capri Sun.
That's a king crab. It's actually good in the cheese.
It is.
It's actually good, guys. We were a little nervous at first, but you don't really taste the spiciness of the hot Cheetos at all. Now, we did deep fry these in grease. I thought about doing it in the air fryer, but that didn't make it at all. At least I got some help with this fried seafood. Because y'all see on the first one, I had to do that in 2 takes. I didn't make it through at all. I put this hot. Pass me a napkin. So I hope you guys have been enjoying all of the footage we've been bringing. Like I said, we're so glad to be back. We're trying to get something out to you. Catch up on things that we haven't done. All these trends that we missed out on. I'm like, oh man, we've been missing out on this fried seafood with the cheese. Guys, it is so good. And I see why everybody's doing it. It's like really delicious. So if you guys been sticking around most of the videos long enough, you see we have been responding to some of your comments during the videos. So hopefully you guys been enjoying those. Hopefully your comment has been read, or any questions that you guys have for us. Sometimes we'll see them and get to them so we can read them to you guys. So don't forget to comment, because your comment may be next, okay? Also, our social medias, I always link them down below, but I do leave them just in case you guys want to check them out. If you want to check out my social media, which is Sexy Bowlegs by itself, that would be just me, my personal Instagram. Also, my mukbang Instagram is sexybowlegs_mukbangs. So that way, it's kind of easier to find.
I'm not putting my Instagram out there. My Instagram for me and me only.
She always want to get in the video and then just to sit here and be quiet.
What are we talking about?
I'm just saying, like, talk about the food if you want.
Food's great.
Come on with a bandana, like she in the gang or something. Set you rapping. Huh?
Yeah.
You blooding around here?
No, I just feel like doing my edges.
I want to bite. Go ahead and try it. So good, huh? Telling you, be full off of one little piece. You keep on drinking all that juice.
It's like water.
Hmm?
It's like water. Excuse me.
It's like, I'm gonna chew so hard I might bite my tongue. I didn't bite it, I just said, you know. That's how I'm chewing that thing. Because nobody here ain't gonna try it. I guarantee you, like, we should put one of his octopus in the hot Cheetos.
For him?
I'm just saying, you think he'll eat the octopus dipped in fried hot Cheetos?
Oh no.
I think he'll try it.
He'll try anything.
He just did the video with just octopus and deep fried olives all in the air fryer.
So it's not really deep fried?
It was air fried.
He said, well, go. Ooh, that's ain't hot.
The cheese?
No, this.
Oh, yeah.
He said, was good.
He did a video. Did you subscribe? Did you ring my bell?
No, I ain't ring the bell, but I subscribe.
I'm gonna need you to ring my bell. Ring, 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 ring. That's what you want me to say last time?
See, that was a long time ago.
I'm just saying.
And I watched that video too.
And you see what she was talking about? like what? It's alright.
You bring that back to haunt me.
Cause I was sitting there like, how am I supposed to do? What happened?
Hit my lip.
It burned you? Oh, guys, look at that cheese.
Only one string.
That's all right. That's all right. I got a string. Hair. That's what I'm talking about. Put the cheese, just drizzle. Oh, excuse me, guys. That was just so not ladylike, you know. It just came out. It was just trying to. Go ahead, put you guys by right there.
Ain't nothing in there.
What?
It ain't nothing in the juice. Oh, I thought the door was opening.
That macaroni was so good that it just made some even better fried macaroni balls, right? I'm so full already.
Yeah, you put more on my side.
I separated evenly.
I got a shell.
Got to even them out. It's just like so cheesy and gooey.
Oh, I found my earrings I've been looking for.
Oh yeah. Just now while cleaning?
Because Samaya touched it. It was on my thing that Samaya touched it and then it fell.
The things you find once you clean, right?
Well, it was not where the clothes was. It was on the other side where my bed was, but by the window. And then it fell on the floor behind my bed. And you know how the cord wrap around the room? It was in that cord spot. Well, it was under my dresser where my PS4 at.
So, I don't know if by the time this video go up, we should have hit 11,000 subscribers. Like, what? Now, when I left, we were just hitting 10,000. So, to all of you new subscribers that are here, who just came, I hope you guys are ready for what's to come. I mean, like, what you about to do?
I was singing a song in my head.
I mean, I need you to be in the video. Are you here? Or in your head? Girl. So, yeah. Thank you all. Thank you and welcome, welcome, welcome. You know, the kids just want to really get in the video for the food. Obviously, it's not for any of the entertainment part.
Okay, I have testing tomorrow. We took We took the reading test a couple days ago. No, a couple weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we take the first half of math tomorrow, and then I think the second half of the day after tomorrow.
Are you like focused and ready, mentally ready?
No.
Finna have this meal right now. You need to.
This meal not gonna help.
This meal finna put you to bed.
I don't want to go to sleep. It's a short part. The long part, I think, is the third part.
I don't know what she's singing in that. Sound like the Lion King.
You're not even supposed to be in the living room.
Hmm?
You're not even supposed to be in the living room.
I was like, yesterday.
You hear that?
Yeah. When I made the food,
Going down right
I
here.
was like, what kind of meat is that? I was like, steak. So, somebody was like, oh, we having stank. Stank. How's your crab falling all apart? You taking these little baby bites. Over there struggling.
My stomach's so big.
Y'all know we be trying. We be trying to eat all this food.
We're so skinny. We can't fit all this food in our bodies.
And then I just tried to go get all snatched.
Well, I'm skinny. I don't know about her.
Girl, shut your mouth. But y'all know, usually when the kids around, we just the calm videos.
You what?
The calm videos. Husband shot in the videos, he like turned up.
We do PG-13. Can I get some of your water?
You can get your warm water.
How about can I call one of them to go get my water?
Yeah, you can have some.
Oh.
You might as well finish it.
There's only a little bit in here.
It was not no little bit in there. Just like I brought my drinks to the video, you're supposed to provide your own. I came with 2 drinks.
Refreshing.
Nice cold water that I have.
Ooh, that cheese hot.
Mm-hmm.
You must say you ate all your crab.
Nope, this is the last piece of crab right here. I could just dip my crab in the cheese. With a spicy mayo.
I think you should stick to the butter.
I know. Tastes good in that butter. I know one thing is the lights is getting hot. Whew.
I think we got like 1, 2, 3.
That's because of the wine.
4 lights.
Oh. Ooh, my lipstick on. Y'all know that's gonna be the first thing out of them. Ain't even stay on long enough to set, that's why.
And it was fun today.
Let's go.
First period, there was no teacher. We had substitute. Third period, I had grandma. We went outside. Then lunch. And then fifth period, I had science. Then seventh period, I had reading. Then I went home. We have 1 through 5 Saturday. I think until Friday or next week. I think next week go back to regular schedule.
Yeah.
Yeah, it usually like last week we were supposed to start off with 2, 4, 6, 8, but we started 1 through 5, 7. So go in order. So like 1 through 5, 7, and then a 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't like 2, 4, 6, 8.
That's for testing?
No. 8 and 6 graders test on 2, 4, 6, 8, and 7 graders test on 1 through 5, 7.
Is you done?
What'd you say?
Smiley always touching your watch.
I told you she always touching my stuff. See, I'm not the only one going crazy. That's how my
Well,
earrings.
now you see how I feel. I be telling you. I told you that they're gonna return the favor. How you always touch my stuff?
See, I put the stuff back.
No, you don't. You never do.
Well, you should
Now you
find
got
it.
somebody to touch your stuff. I can't wait till they can get in your clothes.
I don't be wearing your clothes.
Oh, and I try to throw clothes out. Mysteriously, you in there.
See,
And
and it's up right back in here.
No, because they get washed, and then somehow I think it was mine. And
See,
I'm
I
like,
take out the
how
nice
is this?
clothes.
No.
I take out the nice clothes and then I let the stuff go, and then it stays in my room. And then when it goes out to the wash, it comes back in here, and then it stays in here.
No, and then I get rid of it for real. Yeah. I get rid of it to where you can't get it.
But when I was
And
missing
it
my
ends up-
tights, I saw you had them on.
And back in it. So,
And have my tights get here too.
I don't know how to get in here. But all y'all crappers end up in here in the wash, especially yours. Exactly. So,
My
guys,
undies.
these lights in here is starting to make a sister really hot.
And I'm thirsty.
And this food was really delicious.
It's
It
great.
really was. You know, with fried seafood, it kind of fills you up a lot faster. And thank God I didn't try to do all this all by myself. But this seems like something Bear really tried. And I'll try to convince him to fry one of his octopus in these hot Cheetos as well. So that would probably be really good. How would you guys like to see that? I know some people say don't do it, but it is really tasty. You can't really, to me, taste the hot Cheetos at all, right?
No.
Yeah, it's not really spicy. I think the first chip that had all the really, the most hot chili on it, maybe that one kind of tasted it a bit, but no. But I think if we tried it in the air fryer, it might not overpower with the grease. We'll see.
Air fryer?
Yeah, but don't try it. Like I said, guys, we're going to end this right here because the sweat is about to show up.
Come through.
So, thank you again for joining us for this hot Cheeto try. Some portions we ran out of hot Cheetos and mixed it with a little panko, but that's probably why they're not so red as others. But we did try to accomplish trying this fried recipe because it actually was really good. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, we'll see you later.